Okay. See, it's very dirty. Can't keep it. Come, let me take the one I want. Come. Bring it back here. Come. Bring it. It's heavy, right? Is it heavy? It's not heavy. So. Take for cake party pack. Valentine. Are you going to give your class with flower? Use it. What do you know this thing is for? Look at. This is heaven. This weekend has been so hectic, from cooking to work, planning the week ahead of us. Okay, like I told you guys, this hair is going to go for another 1 week before I'll think of what to do to it. So at this point I'm tired. My banana bread. I want to talk about this. Personal branding, personal development, personal growth, whatever name you tend to attribute to it. It doesn't just have to be the aesthetics, the Instagram lifestyle, the social media age. Personal branding has to do with impact. When you walk into an environment, what do people take you as? What do people see you as? Who do your videos or write-ups or presence just inspire? Does it inspire the layman or your people at work or even your nuclear family? You mustn't be a creator to influence people. You mustn't have a podcast forum You mustn't be a YouTuber, you mustn't be an internet content creator, like the people call it in this time and age, to be able to influence people around you. Influence starts with your family, people around your vicinity. When you walk into your workplace, what do they see you as? What will you be remembered for when you're no longer there? Maybe they moved you from a particular branch to a particular branch of your workplace. What will you be known for? Will you be known for positive impact or negative impact? Personal branding starts with identification. What you're known for. What impact do you create? You want to be a creator. What do you have? What value do you have to add to the society? Not moving with everything you see on the internet, on the socials, or the edits, but now content creation is tilting towards another area. Not just about the aesthetic, it's about what you're impacting with. Whatever you're showing us. Could it be vlogs? Could it be lifestyle, your family lifestyle, children, how you cook? What we are seeing, what value are we milking out from the tea you're showing us? If you're showing us how to make this, how to do this, hey, are we able to relate to the ingredients that you're bringing out? Or if you're showing vlogs, are we able to relate? Not just showing us the fancy, the days that you show up with only, you're giving your children fancy foods or fancy meals. Let's say the days that you're not able to go all out. That is being real. That is reality. Because every day is not fancy, every day is not rosy. It is not rosy it's not rosy, that's just it. So let's see what you have to show, what you're bringing to the table, and missed what the world thinks of this general time and age, what the world thinks, what Instagram is showing us, what TikTok is showing us, but we want to be able to milk out something from whichever video you're showing us. So I just thought to drop this here for you guys to know. Thank you guys for watching. If you like such videos or content like this, you should consider subscribing and joining the family. I'll really be grateful to chat with you in the comments. Bye.